Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss verse number 95 of Surat Al An'aam.
إن الله فالق الحب والنوى يخرج الحي من الميت ومخرج الميت من الحي ذلكم الله فأنى تؤفكون.
The data from this video is excerpted from Professor Dr. Nasmi Khalil article. It is God who causes the seed, grain. First of all, the verse differentiate between the grain and the seed. Scientifically, the seed is a part of fruit like date seed, peach, grapes. While the grain is considered a complete fruit, like all kinds of grains, corn, wheat, barley, etc. Secondly, the verse drew a link between the process of splitting of grain and seed and the process of bringing out dead from living and living from dead. Carbohydrates, fats, protein, minerals, salts, and water are stored in seed and grain in a form of dead nutritious substance. When these substances move through the plasma membrane of grain and cells, the seed and grain changes to become a living cytoplasm, and the cell of the rootlet and dicotyledon become alive. Who does all this but Allah? It is scientifically known that there are tiny living substances in the calm static form. All the biological activities from the breathing and nourishment is in the lowest activity to keep the grain alive for the longest time possible under the outer and inner environment condition. Now we will concentrate on the changes that will happen to make the seed and grain split to bring out the living from the dead. After the fulfillment of all necessary conditions for planting, many changes will happen to the seed and grain: physical, chemical, and biological. These will be summarized as physical changes. These happen in the seed and grain when it is watered, either if the grain and seed is dead or alive. The seed or grain will absorb the water and then it will swell, tear because of the pressure that happens within it. Chemical changes. These happen only in the living seeds and grains. Enzymic substance become active and nutritious substance changes to the larger, complicated and complex cells. It changes to simple compounds and lesser size to make it easier for the embryo to absorb water and to penetrate through the case. Here are the chemical bonds will unite the seeds and will grow in size. Biological changes. This happens when the cells of embryo become active and divide, and increased in number, weight, and size by utilizing the stored nutritious substance and water. These dead substances become living substances inside the cells of seed and grain, and here happens the bringing of living from dead. Indeed, only Allah can bring living from dead. Thank you for watching this video, friends. Take care.